Make money with vending machines. Investing in vending machines is a popular way to earn a steady flow of income. However, this type of investment is a gamble most of the time, and requires your constant attention so you don't end up losing money and products. If you want to know how to make money with vending machines, here are the things you need to do. Identify the product you want to sell. There are a lot of products that you can sell on vending machines, so make sure that you only settle for one that interests you. Depending on your choice, you can sell gumballs, sodas, toys, snacks, and tissue papers for comfort rooms. Look for a great location. It's easy to set up a vending machine, but the location may be hard to figure out without proper research. Although you can easily sell sodas and bottled water, you won't sell much in a less accessible location or a place where people don't easily need one. Take the number of people that pass by the location you selected as well as their jobs and social status into consideration when looking for the perfect place. Do a tour. If you're unable to find a great location within your usual route, try looking for other locations. Get in local subways and go to each stop, looking for available vending machines on each location and the products that you can still post there. Research on available sellers. If you want to make the most out of your money, look for sellers that offer wholesale products. In this way, you can strategize on your locations to look for the most profitable one while not spending too much. Once you find a seller, look at its background or available reviews to know if you're getting a good deal. It should provide you with a machine that can easily withstand extreme weather conditions and cannot be easily broken into. Find the best deal. When looking for a vending machine seller, find one that offers the best deal and flexibility in payment. Would you like to pay in lump sum or in monthly installments? What are the usual delivery dates and times for supply refills? How easy is it to request for refills ahead of schedule? What are the terms of the contract? Find a deal that easily meets your needs aside from the products you want to sell. If you can't find a suitable company seller, try those who sell vending machines online. You can buy these at a low price, however, you have to allot a specific day to buy stocks for your machine. Find businesses to host your machine. If you can't find a suitable location, try business establishments. Look for the owner of food stalls or malls and propose a business deal where they put your machine in their store and keep it safe, while you give them a monthly rental or provide a percentage of your monthly income. This is a bit hard to do as some vending machines require the use of electricity, but don't be discouraged easily. Unlike other investments, running a vending machine is not a passive income generator where you just sit down and wait for the income to pour in. Having this type of business requires active participation to ensure its success.